Hello, my name is Habib, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
This is the approved used Audi Q5 Vorsprung. This model has a 40 TDI engine, S-tronic gearbox and Quattro 4-wheel drive system, while is finished in the optional metallic Mythos Black paintwork. Under the bonnet you'll find the turbocharged 2-litre diesel engine, producing 204 PS and delivering 0 to 60 in just 7.6 seconds, while also delivering an impressive 295 pounds-feet of torque. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking matrix LED headlights, providing high-quality illumination. Around the side we have the 21-inch 5V-spoke offset design alloy wheels, while there's body-coloured door mirrors, black window trims and roof rails for a sleek yet stylish look, with the rear privacy glass ensuring extra security for your rear seat passengers. Around the back we have OLED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, as well as a power-operated tailgate, allowing easy access into the 520-litre boot space, which can be extended by folding the rear seats down to 1,520 litres, so you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. There's also the optional folding towbar, which can access via the button in the boot. Here you can tow up to 2,000 kilos, which is perfect for long road trips, as you can tow larger items, such as caravans if you'd like. Moving inside, you'll find fine lap leather upholstered rear seats, with the integrated Isofix child seat mounting points, while there's a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, as well as controls for the climate and outer rear heated seats. In the front you'll find a heated 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and piano black inlays, while there's fine lap leather upholstered front sport seats, which are not only plush but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're electrically adjustable and include the 4-way electric lumbar support, massage function and memory function for the driver's seat. There's a Bang & Olufsen sound system, providing an immersive sound experience over the standard sound system, while the standout feature is the panoramic glass sunroof with the electric sunblind, not only uplifting the interior ambience, but also bathing the interior in sunlight, especially on those warmer, sunnier days. Ahead of you you'll find the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB digital radio, telephone command for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, while flick view you can change the size of those dials. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch MMI Navigation Plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone command for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the predefined modes, with our personal favourite being dynamic as this is most driver focused. There's a massage function for the front seats, which can tailor to your liking. You can adjust the mode such as wave, knead and stretch, as well as the intensity, so you can have the extra comfort and convenience on those longer journeys. There's the extended LED interior lighting pack, not only with predefined colour modes, but also 30 different colour options, so you can customise the interior to your preference. While additionally, there's a 360-degree camera system, with various views for the front, rear and side, including front and rear dynamic guidelines, for reassurance when parking or navigating through tight spaces, while there's a park assist function, not only assisting with parking your car, but also unparking your car. Lower down you'll find the display for the 3-zone electronic climate control, with predictability to your liking, while there's heated front seats, for the added benefit on those cold winter mornings.
This vehicle will come with a minimum 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information, please contact us on 01772 911 331 or inquire online now.